And this graph shows the number of new cases over the last month. The Department of Public Health says there were 4,084 new cases reported statewide yesterday. So we've been monitoring this, and that's the highest number of new cases that we've seen all month. Now, the state is concerned about that climb you just saw there. To try and slow the spread, California will now require you to wear a face covering in high-risk areas, both indoors and outdoors.
This includes when you are inside or in line for any indoor public space like a store, in healthcare settings like a hospital or a pharmacy, and while waiting for or riding public transportation.
Yeah, you must also wear a mask if you work in a place that's visited by the public, if you work in a place that packages or distributes food. Also, common spaces like hallways, elevators, parking garages, and outside you need to wear one when you can't stay 6 feet away from other people.
If you're going to the grocery store, you're going out and about, and you can't practice physical distancing, social distancing, because of constrained environments, be it indoors or outdoors, then that's where these face coverings are mandatory. Many people already are living in jurisdictions where face coverings are mandatory and are not surprised by this, but other parts of the state have been a little bit more resistant. And so, look, we've been trying to encourage good behavior. We're just not seeing enough of it. And I say it at the end of the day in this respect. We don't want to see these numbers continue to climb. We don't want to put pressure on our hospital system. We bought time. We have more PPE, more masks than ever. We have more hospital capacity than ever, more ventilators than ever. We don't want to have to access them. And we're starting to see those numbers creep up. And the way we think we can pull back is not by going back home and locking the doors, but by saying when you're leaving your home, put a mask on, and do so, if not for yourself, for your loved ones, because that can have a profound impact on reducing the transmission of this disease, which is still ravishing this nation and the world, not just the state of California.
And there are some exceptions to this. That includes children under 2 and those with a medical condition that would prevent them from wearing a mask, people who are hearing impaired or communicating with them.
You don't have to wear a mask while eating and drinking at a restaurant. There's also an exception for outdoor recreation and exercise like walking, hiking, running, or biking. But if you're doing these activities and you can't stay 6 feet apart, they say you should wear a mask.